Good morning, everyone. Prep Aussie here. Okay. Another one for you today. The date of the actual webcam capture is Saturday, April 2nd, and today's date is the 9th of the 4th, 2016, 9:15 a.m. WAST. Okay. Let's go through this one then. I'm using this one as a difference to the one I used the other day just to point out some similarities. The time I'm starting this is from 4:50 a.m. to 7 a.m. So just to watch the sunrise, okay? Just want to point out a few anomalies in this morning. I'll try and find it for you. Obviously, this webcam is in Australia. Here we go. Just pay attention to this here, this little dot there. Now keep an eye on this horizon here. I'll go back again. You can see that the sun was coming up there quite clearly. Like if you see that, you can see quite clearly that something's coming up anyway. Whether it's the sun or not, I don't know. But look, that's 5:07. So there's 2 minutes difference between this and that one and this one, okay? Sun's coming up again, or whatever's coming up. Don't know anymore. Right, we'll go to the next page. $5:13 in the morning. Look at the size of that. Massive, isn't it? Okay. Now, 5:17. Let's do 5:17. Okay, getting much bigger. Okay, looks like a sunrise. Now let's do 5:18. So 5:18 to 5:17. Remember, we just watched 5:17. Let's go. Look at that. I want everyone to just pay attention to the fact that when the sun comes up, it's an horizon event. So it comes up literally, the size of that cursor ball. Just pay attention to the size of this. It's like 100 times bigger than the sun. It's massive. It's not like it's just a little bit. It's absolutely massive. Right, so that was 5:18, 5:22. I'll go to the last one on this page. Oh, no, I won't. I'll go to 5:22, okay? Now, you can clearly see the sun. 5:19? Okay, we'll go to 5:19, just as a... Okay? That is huge. Okay? And you can clearly see reflections off the boats. Shadows, shadow lines. Can you not? Look, that's how big this thing is. Okay. $5.25. So we just watched 5:20, 21 it was. So watch this. 5:24. It looks about the darkest. Guys, explain that. And as I said the other day, as you're sitting there watching this, in your mind, you have to be saying, no freaking out, stay calm, cool, calm and collected. Am I ready? Have I got everything ready? Is the car ready? Are you ready? Are your friends ready who you think you might be taking? Have you started to look for a community? Do you know where you're going? That is really important. Do you know where you're going? Because if if you haven't picked somewhere high, then all this is for nothing, folks. The sun still hasn't come up. 5:46. This thing comes up again. Look, it actually has a double dip. Okay. So for all the trolls and all the naysayers and everyone else, let's go back again, eh? So page 1, 4:50 in the morning. Pitch black, dark. 5:10. 5:09. Let's go to 5:09 just for something different. Slight tinge on the horizon. 5:09. Page 2. Three minutes later. 5:12. Little bit of horizon peak there. 5:18, which I showed you before. Kabushka, and the sun's coming up, or something's coming up. Reflections on the actual water from the boats. Shadow lines. Yeah. Clearly see everything. Shadows everywhere. Yeah. Everyone agree? Excellent. This is probably the best. That was probably the best time. Well, here's the best time. 5:19. 5:19. 1 minute after 5:18. That thing is huge. Look, it's going over here behind that tree, goes up like that and keeps on going. And if it's here, then it's the other side just as much, isn't it, to make a semicircle.